Hello there. So this would be the voice thread number 3, which would be ¿Cómo es usted? Y ¿Cómo está? Which is due by July 20th. This assignment will be a class-wide voice recorded dialogue. This assignment will be completed in spontaneous pairs. Begin a dialogue if previous entries already form a completed dialogue. Students will need to 1. Write an extended script which they need to contribute as either a patient or a healthcare provider, depending on what role the last student took and what he or she said. Number 2, listen to the previous comments and respond by taking the appropriate role. So, as you can see over here on the part right here, I put all the instructions right here. If you are student number 1 and you are the healthcare provider, ask your patient a series of questions, and I've listed there some information that you can use to ask your patient. And make sure that you click on the icon, make a comment, all right, by the picture, and you will see in slide number 3, by the picture to ask your questions as a healthcare provider. If you're coming in and you see that the previous student already did the role of a healthcare provider, then you have to be the patient. Answer the questions asked, all of them, and use as many adjectives and verbs learned in chapter 3. Don't forget to use the expressions with tener. Also, for a student being the role of a patient, make sure that you click on the reply icon, which says insert a direct reply, which appears within the previous presenter's icon, which will always be on your left-hand side. All right, the next thing you will see would be on the next slide is the actual rubric of how you will be graded. This is not a group effort, this is an individual effort, and it shows you exactly what is it that I focus on. Of course, the mechanics of it, the pronunciation, and if you completed the assignment or not. So this is for you to just take a look at and prepare yourself. And on the final slide is actually you will participate by recording yourself. If you wish to, you can put a webcam doing this, or you can put a record yourself. There is no writing, no texting on this. All right, so again, you would click in here and you would make the comments. All right, but if you are the patient, you would have to go on the right hand side, on the left hand side, and click on the last person that presented and reply to them if they presented themselves as a healthcare provider, whether it's a doctor, whether it's a nurse practitioner, whether it's a physician assistant of any sort. Okay, so this is what you would have to do. I'm looking forward to your work. Bye-bye.